Welcome to the hospitality tip of the day. Today we have very interesting topic. Host culinary workshops or cooking classes for guests.
What are culinary workshops and cooking classes in the hospitality industry?
Culinary workshops and cooking classes are immersive guest experiences where individuals actively participate in the preparation and cooking of meals. They are often hosted by hotels and restaurants, allowing guests to learn and engage with the culinary process.
How do culinary workshops and cooking classes benefit guests?
These experiences provide guests with a hands-on and memorable way to engage with the culinary culture of the destination. They go beyond traditional dining and allow guests to actively participate, creating lasting memories.
Who is the target audience for culinary workshops and cooking classes?
Culinary workshops cater to a diverse audience, from food enthusiasts looking to refine their cooking skills to families seeking fun and educational activities. This diversity helps hotels and restaurants tap into new market segments.
How do culinary workshops promote local cuisine?
Hosting culinary workshops offers an excellent opportunity to showcase and promote local cuisine. Guests get to experience the flavors and traditions of the region, which fosters a deeper connection with the destination and supports the local food ecosystem.
How can culinary workshops and cooking classes strengthen brand loyalty?
These experiences create strong emotional connections between guests and the brand. Positive memories from the classes are likely to lead to repeat visits and referrals, thus strengthening brand loyalty.
Do culinary workshops and cooking classes generate revenue for hospitality businesses?
Yes, they can be a significant revenue stream. Hotels and restaurants often charge a fee for these classes, and many guests are willing to pay for the opportunity to learn from skilled chefs or culinary experts.
How do culinary workshops and cooking classes contribute to marketing and publicity?
These experiences can garner significant attention from both traditional and digital media. The uniqueness of these classes often leads to press coverage, social media buzz, and user-generated content, increasing visibility and marketing opportunities.
How can culinary workshops and cooking classes benefit staff in the hospitality industry?
These workshops provide opportunities for staff training and development. Engaging employees in teaching and guiding guests through these experiences enhances their skills, boosts morale, and improves teamwork, turning them into ambassadors for the establishment. Thank you for watching our next topic video about Introduce a local flavors menu featuring regional dishes. For more knowledgeable videos like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.